Hi, today we'll try to fix this small LED projector. This projector 30 watt. Now we'll open the cover and remove a glass, and we will test it. Use LED tester, this kind of LED tester. As you see, it's work except this line here. This each 4 LED is together, working together. This line okay, this line okay, but this line does not work. So we'll try to change this LED. I use this small heater. I bought it from AliExpress. It's working with it 220 volt. Now I put the board of LED, and I will try to remove the damaged LED. I remove it now, and I will change it with a new piece. Also, this piece I bought it from AliExpress website. So they give good price and cheap price, and also they have free shipping. Now after, it will take a little bit to solder with heating. As you see, now after I replace damaged LED, the testing, now the final testing. As you see, it's working okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.